At the end of this video, you're going to realize that the money you have sitting in your bank account can be literally changing your life in a matter of 30 days. This is not clickbait. This is real life. For those that do not know who I am, I'm Playmaker Way, the creator of the playbook. And I went from busting my ass working 2 jobs, 6 days out the week, to now for the past 2 going on 3 years, full-time trader making thousands a week. And now I teach the members and students in the Playmaker University how to do the exact same thing. So make sure to click that first link and second link in the description, and let's get straight into this video. So if you do not understand what day trading is, it is the quick and one of the best ways to invest, because if you think the value of the market is going to go up, you enter buys. If you think the value of the market is going to go down, you enter sells. And instead of waiting 3 to 6 months to see a 30-40% increase, if that, you can literally see that in a month to 2 months, a lot quicker, a lot rapidly. So this is stuff that I teach and break down super in depth and detail, as well as the other components of trading in Playmaker University. So if you're interested in learning directly from me, make sure to click those links in the description or click the link in the comments. For $5,000, I don't think you understand what you can do with $5,000. All you have to do is make 5% a day. One of the biggest mistakes I used to make, and a lot of traders are making, is they're always trying to go for home runs or see all their TPs getting hit. And by doing that and aiming for that, you oftentimes let a lot of winners turn to losers. But if you have a solid game plan and you treat the markets like a store, when you're in the grocery store, do you try to buy everything in every aisle? Do you try to get every single thing at once? No, you have a list of what you're here for. You grab it, you go. Right? You got a budget, you stick in that budget, you dip. It's the same thing when it comes to day trading and investing in general. What I want y'all to do is, yes, have a TP, yes, have an SL, right? But have a daily goal. And once that daily goal is met, close your trade, close all the charts, close your computer, and do not think about the markets or entering your trade for the rest of the day. And I promise, if you do this, you will see your life change in a matter of 30 days. Now, this is assuming, of course, you already have some day trading experience and you're already semi-profitable. Of course, if you're brand new to trading, again, click those links in the description. Let's break it down. I know some of y'all might be thinking, how can $5,000 change my life in a month, right? Again, if you just make 5% of that per day, that is $250. I don't think y'all understand the gravity of that. People don't even get paid that in a day of busting their ass for 8 hours. This is 2.5, 3 days worth of work for some people, if not more. And you can make this literally every single day if you just make 5% of your account. There's 5 trading days out the week, and I do the Forex side, and you can do this with futures as well. So that means there's 5 days out the week, 23 hours out the day where you can trade. The markets are literally only closed 1 hour out the week, Monday through Friday. So you can find a setup within 23 hours out of the day, and you make 5% per day. That is literally $1,250 a week. Again, that's people's bi-weekly paychecks you can make on a weekly basis. This is what I did from working 2 jobs. Once I figured out trading, I quit one of my jobs, was making part-time income with trading. I stacked up my account, passed prop firm challenges, and literally went from making, again, $1,250 to part-time income to literally, like I said, thousands a week, y'all. And again, you can do this with literally any account size or any amount you plan to invest and trade with. But I'm just using 5,000 for example, because if you have 5K, if you have 2 to 5K, that's the sweet spot to make part-time to going on full-time income, right? Anything underneath that, anything less than that, you can still make some money, but you're going to need at least 2 to 5K to see some serious bread when it comes to trading and to stop you from over leveraging. Because the main reason why people over leverage is because they have small accounts and they're trying to make big profits they see online, but you can only make what you can risk, and you can only make or risk more if you have a bigger account size, right? So again, if you do this every single week, there's 4 weeks in a month. You can literally make $5,000 a month by just literally making 5% a day every single day. And you're telling me an extra $5,000 a month is not life changing? I don't understand what you're doing. You might need to let me know in the comments what you're doing that you don't need an extra 5,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? And it's not hard to make 5% because, like I said, it's 23 hours out the day. It's literally 8:44 a.m. I caught a move with the members of students earlier today. Literally 3:05 a.m. we entered this trade. We hit TP4 3:53 a.m. So literally just 50 minutes. We caught a nice 1-to-1 trade. So it means whatever you risk would have made that same amount. So if you would have risked 5% and literally in an hour, you could have made 5% for your day, right? So it's not hard to find a setup when there's 23 hours out the day of opportunities. So I just wanted to make this video because I want to motivate y'all to start taking trading seriously. I also don't think y'all understand that you do not need a lot of money to start making a lot of money when it comes to trading and investing. And also, if you just take some time, a couple months to stack up some money, 10%, 20% of your paycheck, you can reach this amount and start making consistent income. You just gotta stop buying the new shoes, stop buying the new purses. Maybe you've not get your nails done for a month or something like that. But I'm telling you, if you just lock in and focus on trading, your life can literally change before 2026 hits the corner. Again, we are approaching the halfway point of the year, and some of y'all are still stuck in the same spot in the same cycle from January, if not Q4 last year. It's literally that simple, y'all. And again, that is like a guide for y'all that already have a trading plan or already have a consistent strategy. But if you're brand new to trading or unprofitable, that is where I come in. I can literally help y'all out. That first thing in the description, join the Free Signal Free Telegram. Then you scroll to May 18th and you'll see this right here. First off, we got to give a special shout out to some of the members and students last week. And honestly, this month, we had one of my students make $9,000. So I've been taking GJ by since Sunday night. PMW and the playbook is the truth. Had another student caught that GN move we was talking about last week. We also caught a GN move last week as well. Had another student make almost $600 on the day. We really do this over here, y'all. But again, go to May 18th. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the week. At the beginning of every single week, we drop what's called a Sunday chart analysis, where we go over all the high impact news and we go over all the charts. I did my projections. Wednesday, 18 pips. Thursday, we got 900 pips. And then Friday, we got 47 pips, catching a total of 4,196 pips. End of the week, 5-0, giving us 100% win rate. We go live every single day, as you can see. And then again, we do the recap of the day at the end of every day, the recap of the week at the end of every week, and the recap of the month at the end of every month. So if you're interested, you're trading to the next level and catching these banger trades with me, go into the description, click that second or third link, become a playmaker. Y'all saw in the Free Signal, Free Telegram, we literally had a 100% win rate last week. We averaged a 90% win rate on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis. And I teach you everything. I don't just teach you a trading strategy. I teach you much, much more. So be interested in learning directly from me. Make sure to watch this Make sure to watch this next part of the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're gonna get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say to follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but a consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions. I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, Advanced Play Signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended quarter 1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate. 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not gonna find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over where you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the Advanced Play Signaling for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the Advanced Play Signal Room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.